Well, she only left me one little kitty to keep me warm. I came down here to live in this house because I did all my singing here. I was so happy. I was happier going out and singing than anything I've ever done since I was born.
Here, Pinky boy. I was always mad about that girl, Leslie Calhoun. I think she's moral.
She could learn toe dancing, she could learn radio.
But there's only one Leslie Calhoun.
Oh, yeah.
Mountains in your windows, violets in your hand. Through your English meadows, your blue-eyed horses wander. You're in Colorado for the spring. When the winter finds you, you fly to where it's summer. Rooms that face the ocean, moonlight on your bed. Mermaids swift as dolphins paint the air with diamonds. You are like a seagull, as you said. Why do you fly, bright feathered sometimes in my dreams? The shadows of your wings fall over my face. I can feel no air, I can find no peace. Brides in black ribbons, witches in white, flying through the windows, fly out through the night. Why do I think I'm dying sometimes in my dreams? I see myself a child running through the trees, looking everywhere, crawling on my knees, searching for myself, searching for my life. I cannot see the leaves, I cannot see the light. Then I see you walking just beyond the forest, walking very quickly, walking by yourself. Your shoes are silver, your coat is made of velvet. Your eyes are shining, your voice is sweet and clear. Come on, you say, come with me, I'm going to the castle. All the bells are ringing, the weddings have begun. But I can only stand here, I cannot move to follow. I'm burning in the shadows and freezing in the sun. There are people with you living in your houses, people from your childhood who remember how you were. You were always flying, nightingale of sorrow, singing bird with rainbows on your wings.